All right, so this video is how to, in a Google Sheet, enter a formula. And this one specifically, we're trying to find percent change. And this is a template for an assignment that I've been using. Basically, students choose a stock to purchase. As of that day, these were the prices, okay? And then eventually they'll tell me I want to sell based on the previous day's sale price. And the idea is, let's say, oh gosh, I don't know, previous sale price for UPS was $224.79. So we'd come back over $224.79. Okay, sell date, well, it doesn't matter for this video. So we want to find percent change. And I can put in a formula here. I'm pointing at the screen right here. It helps if I use my mouse and have that apply to each row all the way down. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you start off with an equal sign so the computer knows, hey, I'm going to be calculating something for you. And then we pick the boxes that we want to add up. I'm sure I'm using the wrong terminology here, but we're going to what we end with minus what we start with. So E2, I'm going to put it in parentheses because I want it to do that math first. Remember your parentheses, division, all that stuff. I'm not a math teacher. So we have E2 minus C2. So we're taking this one minus the end price minus the start price. So that's going to give us our difference. And then you're going to divide that difference by the start price, which was in C2. And then I want to turn it in, that'll give me a decimal. So I want to turn it into a percent. So I'm going to multiply by 100. And boom, there it goes. So we're at 10.1%. And if I want to make it just so it goes just to the tenths, I can come up here, if I remember where, and I can shorten. Here we go, decrease decimal places, oops, in here until I get it where I want it. So that's going to be 10.1% change if that student were to sell that stock at previous day's closing price. Then I can take that formula and say, well, that's just for that row. Nah, it's pretty cool. I can actually copy and paste for all of these. Now they're showing negative 100 right here because there's no, they've got the start and there's no data. So it's kind of counting this like a zero. Well, if you're going from something to nothing, it's going to be a negative 100% change. But if you go into each of these, you'll see that we're at E8 and C8. So for each one of these, you'll see it grabbed the appropriate boxes. So you do that side, and then if you had more, like over here, I've got a whole nother column of buy and sell prices. I do the same thing over here. So that's how you find percent change using a formula on Google Sheets. Have a good one.